Hi guys, it's Iman. Today is Friday, September 13th, and guess what? After dinner, we have a whole bunch of treats, fall treats, and most of them are pumpkin spice flavor. These treats are from Aldi and they were brought over to us by Cindy. You will meet Cindy here in a minute, so let's go. Okay guys, this is Cindy. Say hi, Cindy.
Hi.
She's the one who graciously brought us over some treats. So what is the first treat that we're going to have?
I think we can try the maple popcorn.
Okay, maple kettle popcorn. That sounds good. And it says that it's drizzled.
Do we all try it at the same time?
Yeah.
Are you trying any?
Yeah, I'm going to try it, but I'll try it afterwards.
All right.
Or maybe I'll try it now.
It smells really good.
Yeah. It does smell like maple.
It has the maple inside.
That's very good.
It's drizzled, so it's got like the maple drizzle on top of it.
I'll make you that.
That looks good.
All of these snacks are from Aldi.
Oh yeah, these are Aldi snacks. And this is by Clancy's. That's yummy.
Second one is the pumpkin spice.
Okay, the
are
second
really
one.
good.
Let me see
Those
the
are
front of it. Pumpkin spice. Ooh, kettle corn. Okay. Let's see what we got.
Ooh.
Does it smell?
Yes.
You're not sharing it.
What is
I was
it?
gonna give it to you first.
It smells like literally like a pumpkin spice latte.
Really?
Yeah.
I like more than this one.
Oh, yeah. Here, look at them too, because I got like an orange.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks yummy
I
in
don't
here.
think the pumpkin flavor is too strong.
Mmm.
That's the ones that I got.
I think that one's stronger. The maple one.
You can taste pumpkin,
Yeah.
but it's not very strong. You could get it in the back of your throat then. Okay, so 2 Clancy's. Okay, what would you rate the maple kettle corn?
The maple kettle corn, I'd probably rate a 10 out of 10.
Okay,
Same.
okay.
10 out of 10. Yeah. I mean, I don't think anything's perfect. I would get the maple kettle corn over the pumpkin spice.
Yeah.
Okay,
Same here.
and what would you guys rate? I would rate maple
give it-
kettle corn.
It's up there. Like I'd give it at least an 8 or 9.
Yeah, I think I would give it an 8 out of 10 because I don't know what's coming.
Yeah,
So,
that too. But and the pumpkin, I'd probably rate that at like a 7 or 8.
okay. And then
I'll
Cindy,
give it like a 5.
5.
I'd give it like a 6.
I think I would probably give it
I
maybe
do
like
like
a
it, though.
5.5 or 6.
Yeah, it is
Okay.
good though.
Yeah, it is delicious.
Okay, so the second option is pumpkin spice wafer rolls.
Wait, let me
Ooh.
see. Pumpkin spice wafer. Oh, I've got it
Sorry.
on Zoom. Rolls. Those are like those things, those cookies that sometimes they put in fancy ice cream stores. They put it in your sundae.
Oh my god.
Those look good.
Yeah.
They also have salted caramel. No, we're gonna do everything pumpkin first.
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm trying to go on one. Do you want me to just split it
Yeah,
in half?
just break a little one. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. Oh, that's it. Oh, jeez.
Take it. I'll take it.
Okay.
I get it at the end. You get it a little late. You don't get it right at the beginning.
You do taste that pumpkin spice.
These are pretty good.
Yeah,
This would be good with like coffee.
They kind of taste like a little tiny bit of gingerbread, maybe.
Yeah. Oh, it does have
Right?
that. The pumpkin flavor, I mean, it's different companies, but the pumpkin flavor is a little bit different in that.
Yeah, this one almost seems like manufactured, whereas this one tastes almost like it's like pumpkin, like canned pumpkin flavor.
Yeah.
It's good. Tastes like a pumpkin pie.
Yeah, it's very good.
Okay, I would give that a 10. What would you guys give it?
I give that a 10 also.
Yeah.
I'll give it like an 8.
8? Would you give it,
Yeah.
Dylan? Okay, this is Cody,
really like it.
Cindy, Dylan. and Man?
I would give that a 9. I really like that.
A 9? Okay.
I feel like now that I set
Let's stick
the
it
standard
right
high
there.
with the first one, that like I have to keep everything high.
Yeah.
Okay, for the last 5 options, I think that we might have to combine some of them, and we also would need to cut them.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Do we need a plate?
Yeah. So I got this.
Ooh.
I tried one of them.
Okay.
I don't really like sweets, but that one is good.
Okay.
This is Appy Tapple.
Why don't we can show some of these other things, and then we can get what we need, and then we'll try them.
The original caramel apple. It says the original peanut. Yum, that does look good. Okay.
Fourth
Oh.
option is pumpkin spice
Sandwich
cream.
Let me see, Cindy. Pumpkin spice sandwich cream. It's almost like an Oreo cookie.
Yeah.
Except pumpkin spice.
If I can open it.
Oh, it's got one of those,
Lift and see.
yeah. Does everybody like my placemats that I got from Goodwill? They were brand new. Brand
You know
new.
what I'm using? Orange now.
I washed them. That's why they're a little wrinkled, and I ironed them. Okay, Dylan.
The seal was not going.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. This is what they look like.
Yeah.
The filling is orange. And this is pumpkin spice, right?
Yes.
Right off the bat, they remind me, and a lot of the old timers maybe know this. There's those cookies, the maple cookies. They look like a maple leaf.
Oh.
Those are good, right?
I thought about bringing them too.
I think Trader Joe's now sells them. But
This is really good.
here's a hint. You can get them at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. The same maple cookies, same box, same everything. And these are good.
I would give that a 10.
They taste gingery, and the frosting tastes like the Oreo frosting, doesn't it?
It kind of reminds me of candy corn. Really?
Oh, really?
Yeah. I haven't had that in so long, so
Yeah, those are
I
delicious.
would give that a 10. It's got a really good.
10?
To me, that is the most fall flavored thing that we.
Yeah. Cindy, what do you give it?
Like a 7.
Okay.
Because it's too sweet for me.
Yeah, I'd probably give it an 8 or 9.
It is sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Like that's like one thing that you could eat. Like
Yeah.
meat
I mean,
and
it's
soup.
like the double stuff. The filling is thick.
That's another thing that'd be good with a cup of coffee.
So I would rate that probably, I think an 8.5. It's good, but it is sweet. Very sweet.
Okay.
So speaking with coffee, I don't know how good it's gonna taste.
Oh,
Pumpkin
let me
spice
see.
coffee.
Hold on a
And for
minute.
that, we also
Ground
have
coffee. And let me see. So you've got like
pumpkin
the.
spice
Oh, that's exactly
on
what
top.
Target sells.
and
Pumpkin spice.
pumpkin spice cake roll.
And pumpkin spice cake roll. Ooh wee.
I'm loving the orange going on here.
I know. Look at it. And it all is so cohesive
All right.
with these placemats.
How about we brew some cups of coffee? We'll have that, and then we'll enjoy this with it.
Okay, we're going to stop here. Okay. Okay, what do you got there, Dylan?
We have the pumpkin spice coffee.
Okay.
We'll try that.
The pod that you guys just
In
brewed.
the Hocus Pocus Ray Dunn mug.
Of course. Of
From
course.
Home Goods.
Home Goods, yes. Okay, so.
I am the best associate at Home Goods, bar none. So let's not forget about that.
Okay.
So also they have multiple different ones. They had like the orange and the purple. So
Yeah,
I got that.
those are nice. Oh, and I've got my
Do you want me to?
my
It's okay, I'll try
I've
this.
got my thrifted
Hello, Autumn.
Hello Autumn coffee mug.
So
So we love
I
that.
did put French vanilla creamer in here just as a.
French vanilla creamer. Okay, oh, we should have gotten the pumpkin spice creamer. We didn't even think about it. Okay, taste it. This is the pumpkin spice coffee.
That's pretty good.
Can you taste the pumpkin spice?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I can't
Okay.
remember. Like we got some last year. I can't remember where we got it from, but it's pretty good.
Okay. And then we're going to put
It's not
in-
like that strong of a flavor. It's just enough.
Okay, and then we're going to put in that coffee some pumpkin spice
Whipped cream.
whipped topping. Yeah.
Yeah.
So where's that at?
That's over there.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's
I don't know
see.
if you want me to try it?
Yeah, I want you to try it, or Cody try it, or Cindy. Can somebody try it?
Do you want to just...
No.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wait.
It's like orange yellow.
Oh, cool.
I mean, you know... Oh, yeah.
Put it in the...
You do kind
Oh,
of
really?
a little bit.
Put more than that, Cody. You got to make it...
I mean, geez.
Let me see. Oh, yeah. Okay. Taste it with the coffee.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, Cody, you taste it?
Yeah,
What do
I
you
like that.
think? You do like it?
It's like probably the least intense of all the flavors here.
She asked me what I thought.
Well,
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay.
I'm a sucker for a
Cut it.
pumpkin spice latte, so
Okay.
this is right up my alley.
yeah. Who
Okay,
got you one
perfect.
of those today? Hey, thank you very
Just
much.
the one.
Okay, now we are going to taste test the pumpkin roll and the caramel apple with peanuts on it. Ooh, yummy. Okay, Cody.
All right, I guess I'll
Or
try.
all three of you, yeah.
I'll try the apple first,
Yeah.
Try the apple. Oh, we got
Alright,
stuff
sink
in
it.
the...
or dink it.
Dink!
And sink it.
Cheers.
Mm.
Let me try the apple.
That's pretty good.
I've never had one of these before.
Mmm. Really?
Like
Yeah.
a candied apple. That's kind of what this is, right?
Kind of.
I think.
When I was a little girl, my cousin would have us over and we would make caramel apples or candy apples
Mm-hmm.
for the fall. They were so good.
This isn't bad.
Mm-hmm.
I think
Kind
they-
of amazing how they're able to keep them like so fresh. The apples. Do you guys keep this in a refrigerated case? No.
Mm,
They
those
come
are
in
good.
Well, they come, yeah. In the warehouse, they have it
Mm-hmm.
in the cooler section, but
And they're shelf stable.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, now, when you're ready,
Yeah, hold on.
we'll do
You need a napkin?
the pumpkin roll.
I think it is.
Okay, we've got to taste the pumpkin roll with the frosted parts of it, with the frosting.
May I have one of those cookies? I want to try the whipped cream.
I'm gonna. Oh, you didn't try the cookie?
No, I did. I
Oh.
just want to try the whipped cream on a
This
cookie.
is what the pumpkin roll looks like. I should have held up. Hold on a minute. This is the apple. Look it. It's delicious.
This is starting to.
Okay, are you guys ready for the...
This is starting to turn into a pumpkin spice mukbang.
Yeah, it is. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Hold
Are we
on.
gonna
What was
cheers?
it, Cindy?
Okay, let's try.
Yeah, dink it.
Again.
Okay, dink. Oh,
And sink
dink. Dink. Okay, ready? First of all, it's very moist. Like very soft. It's got a mild
I'd say
pumpkin
it's-
spice
it. I was gonna
flavor.
say it's subtle, but it's really good.
And the frosting is not too overly sweet, right?
Yeah, no, it's really good.
It tastes like
I will say I've had enough food.
cream, cream cheese frosting.
Yeah,
Yeah, it tastes really good. And then the coffee. What do you guys think of the coffee?
coffee's delicious.
And so is the
Whipped cream.
the whipped cream. Yum. We have one more thing to try.
We do?
What's that?
Yeah, we've got these cans of
Oh,
apple
the sparkling
cider.
water.
Are we trying
Is
this?
sparkling water or sparkling
sparkling.
apple cider?
Yeah.
If you guys don't want to try it, I want to try
Yeah,
it.
you
Yeah.
try it. I can't.
Okay, hold on. Out.
The whipped cream.
This is the sparkling apple cider. Ooh. How many calories? 170?
Yeah, we don't worry about calories.
Yeah, we don't care about calories, right?
Okay.
Can you just go ahead and open it for me?
I haven't opened this in so long.
Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna try the sparkling apple cider. Yeah, it tastes delicious. It's sparkling, obviously. And it tastes just like apple cider, like you get at the farm. It's really good.
Really?
It's actually very refreshing. It's delicious. I think that's a thumbs up. I would rate the sparkling cider probably a 9.5. It's good. I mean, it is a little sweet, but it is delicious. It's very refreshing. So I think that is it for our taste test. They are all sugared out. I'm starting to feel a little sugared out, but everything was delicious. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to ask them what their most favorite products were of everything that we tried. Okay, Cindy is trying it. What do you think of the sparkling cider?
It's good.
It is, right? It's kind of refreshing.
It is very refreshing.
Yeah, and it is cold. I mean, it's not super cold, but it's cold enough. Are you going to try
I'll
it?
try it.
Okay, Cody's going to try it now.
That is very good.
I know, right?
Yeah. Like, that is actually refreshing.
I know. And the packaging almost looks like the Target. Like everything looks like the stuff
Good
you
and
get at
Gather,
Target.
isn't it?
Yeah.
I love it. I love Aldi.
Yeah, it's like, it is like actually like refreshing.
I know, right? You want to try it?
No.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, so Dylan, what was your most favorite treat?
I think I have to go with the sandwich creams.
The sandwich creams?
Yeah, like you can only eat one or two, like I said, but they're really good.
Okay. And then Cindy, pick which one is your
Mine
favorite.
will be the maple kettle corn with the sparkling cider.
That
With
would
the
be
sparkling cider, okay. And then Cody, what is yours?
I would go with the wafers with the pumpkin coffee and whipped cream.
Oh, the wafer rolls, these
Yeah.
guys?
Yeah, these.
Okay, with the coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, and mine, I think, would be, I really love the sparkling cider, but I did love the wafer rolls. So I think mine are the wafer rolls and the sparkling cider.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe
Like,
and share this video. We can't grow this channel without you.
That's right. All right, so that's it. Those are our favorites. And you've got to get down to Aldi and try these out. They are delicious. And I'm telling you, they are just as good, if not better, than the treats, the brand name treats that you get at like Target or any of the other grocery stores like Walmart. These, I think, bar none, probably even better. So we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.